Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag certification tutorial. Here we'll see the free AI Security and Governance Certification 2025. Earn a badge and boost your career. So Security Education's AI Governance Certification. So Security Education is provide the AI Governance Certification. So AI Security and Governance Certification by the Security Education is available for free, and the course include 8 modules, quizzes, a final exam and previous shareable badges and a certificate upon completion. It also qualify for 1.5 IAPP CE credits. So the estimated time to complete is roughly 2.2 to 2.5 hours. So link is this. We'll open the link. So this is the page. So here we are accessible learning, free online courses featuring video tutorials, no proper requirements. It designed to be on demand, allowing you to complete it in multiple settings. And comprehensive curriculum that includes 8 module, 8 quizzes, and final certification exam. Completing the course typically require approximately 2 to 2.5 hours, and recognition and credits earned as shareable badges for the each module and a certification upon completion qualifies for the 1.5 IAPP CPE credits. So take the course as free. So just click here. So there is your option create account. So now first create account. So there is your option partner registration. So if you are a student, you go through the register button. So click on register. So okay, username I'm putting the same, password also same, email also same. There is a company name, Chirag tutorial. Click on register. So got the mail. So let me open my Gmail account. Okay. So thank you for enrolling certification program, and there is a password link. So click on this. So this is my new password. So I'm saving the password for the testing purpose. So click on the save. Now go to the login and put your email address. Not now. Use my email address. I'm ready. Verification code. So I got the code. So 139399. So validate and save. So if you want to generate the backup code, then you can generate, or I will just generate later. Go with that. So there is a certification, completed certificate, and badges. We have a 0. So now again I'm going to the same link. So here take the exam, take the process. So I'm already logged in. So now you can click on the enroll. So there is a 0 by 64 steps. So you have to complete all the things, all step by step. And there is a recap is there. So it will provide all the details. And finally, you will get a AI governance certificate. So you must complete all the lessons and topic in the course before accessing this page. Okay. So when you will complete this, then you will get a certification exam. So in this video, we have learned free AI security and governance certification 2025 and earn a badge and boost your career. So step by step process, follow that. And for any doubts and query, please write on the YouTube video comment section. Follow the process shown in the video. Please subscribe for the more videos. Don't forget to follow, like, share, and comment. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.